That's right, blow up the chat. Yeah, let's blow up the chat. Let's blow up the chat. I'm about to be on the way, baby. Yeah. You know how crypto be. Waiting for a few more people to get up in here, man. Just setting up a few more things, man. Getting all spiffy for my team and my family. Y'all already know. Light up the chat, like, subscribe, share this everywhere. We gonna put on a good show for y'all today. You know what time it is, man. Soap Guys TV, Millie, man. All right, am I live? Am I live? Am I live? Can y'all see me? All right, what's going on with crypto today? We got Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trying to get past the 23.5 level. We got Ethereum sitting around 1800, looking like a stable coin, man. And I just want to talk about, what's going on in crypto. You know what I'm saying? We gotta figure out if we going up or down, family. Are we going up or down? Family, are we going up or down? What's the deal? What's the dealio? You know what I'm saying? September, August going in September was supposed to be an extremely bullish month. We're seeing the higher ups pull out all the stops, man. You feel me? Blocking crypto loans for VCs. Everything is going on. Everything, every little thing they want to stop. Crypto, blockchain technology, wealth, your legacy, the ability to control your money. We can't let that happen, family. We can't let that happen. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Keep your favorite crypto, door to door entrepreneur, serial entrepreneur in the algorithms, man. Remember, the most important thing to do in a bear market is going to get your capital, family. Make sure you go get your capital. Do what you got to do for your family. Do what you got to do for your legacy. You know what I'm saying? Always invest what you can afford. You know what I'm saying? I ain't telling nobody to go crazy. We're going to be talking about what I'm doing in the crypto space. All right, so first and foremost, let's go here. All right, let's go to some. What y'all want to talk about first? Dogelon. Y'all know y'all like Dogelon. We can talk about Dogelon a little bit later. Now, I did find this interesting right here. Now, as you can see, Crypto.com is letting you pay for petrol on the Crypto.com app. Now, I was doing a lot of research on Crypto.com because y'all know I cover plenty of tokens, especially the ones that I hold. This is huge right here. This is huge. Y'all see what's going on, man? People paying for their petrol with Crypto.com on the app, just using your phone. You feel me? And I also found out that Crow is a deflationary token, family. So I wanted to hold this live to explain to you a couple things that I've been looking at in the crypto space as I build up my other wallet here. You feel me? But again, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all be liking to see that Elon news. Y'all got to go crazy on the other videos so we can keep this algorithm posted, man, because this is life. Crypto is life. Crypto.com, man. So Crypto.com is deflationary. If you don't know about it, it's supposed to deflate over time, making it eventually able to go up in price. And if it's truly deflationary, then it could possibly compete with BNB. But the thing about BNB is that BNB is also deflationary. So one of my long-term holds, man, Crypto.com, they do have the deal with the Lakers arena there. And also, man, it's just a long-term play, man. If you want to get into crypto and you're building a portfolio, I would say to look into some exchange tokens. It don't have to necessarily be Crypto.com. It could be FTX. It could be BNB. It could be plenty of different, plethora of different opportunities. Find what fits your energy the most, family. But I just thought this was neat. Crypto.com allowing people to pay for their gas and petrol with the app in the card, man. That's huge. All right, let's move on. So let's let's talk about what I've been looking at. All right, so deflationary tokens. Now, you see, this is a list right here. We are in a macro environment. We're in an inflationary environment. So you can see there go Crow. I've been looking at deflationary tokens here, family. It's many on the list. Cardano. It's so many of them on the list. But you want to at least have one inside your portfolio. So a deflationary crypto is a digital currency that's designed to reduce over time. The main goal of the deflationary cryptocurrencies is to prevent the digital finance market from being flooded with digital assets over time while increasing the currency's value. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I've been breaking it down in sections on how I'm thinking, how I'm looking, and how I'm currently building my portfolio in a bear market. Now, you want to do different things in a bull run, and you want to do different things in a bear market. Right now, I've been trying to stack up my deflationary token. Now, there's many deflationary tokens. They got the brand new ones, the hot ones like Zuna. If you ever heard of Zuna, it's like a, let me see if I can pull it up here. Pull up Zuna for y'all, man. Zuna is one of them hot ones. It's one of them new ones, small market cap. Lots of zeros. It's definitely an opportunity. It's up 13% of the day. Now, I wanted to invest into this first before I actually brought it on the channel. But as you see right here, my investment paid off. It just dipped down 4%. That's crazy. But I was up 13% on Zuna since I originally invested into it. And this is a deflationary token. You want to pay attention to the circulating supply. Now, if you want to switch it up, if you want to get something that's been around, you want to get something that's been around a while, you want to get something that you already know that's going to work, because Zuna is high risk, but also high reward. But if you're one of those people that don't like high risk, I would recommend Elron. Now, Elron is also a deflationary token, very, very comparable to Ethereum, as you can scale. It's a blockchain, but even comparable to Bitcoin because it's rare, as you can see right here. I've been paying attention, family, lately to tokens with minimum circulating supply. I want to maximize my investment. I don't want my investment to be diluted. So I've been looking at tokens. Now, look at this wonderful tokenomics right here. Look how just a little bit of tokens, a little bit of max supply, a little bit of total supply here, family. This could be huge in the next bull run, and of course, it's deflationary. All-time highs was sitting at $490. I ain't even gonna round it up. $490. Right now it's 50. I want to see this thing going between $40, $30. Ooh, 25 would be a great buy. But again, deflationary tokens, that's what I got my laser eyes on right now, family. I got my laser eyes on deflationary tokens. All right. So it's many of them, you know what I'm saying? You can go with Dogelon, like I said, go do your research on Zuna. Zuna is a new one, so it got a lot of potential. This is a good one too, Filecoin. So Filecoin stores data and stuff like that. So go check out Filecoin. Filecoin, again, look at the tokenomics here. The total supply is almost exactly what's out there as far as the circulating supply. So they don't even have too many more tokens to mint here with Filecoin. And as you can see, Filecoin here, all-time high, sitting at around almost $200. Is $8 right now, family. So I'm putting y'all on some gems right now. Go find you a deflationary token. This is not financial advice. This is only what Millie's doing. But again, diversify your portfolio, man. Understand what's going on in crypto. Grow with me. Y'all guys see what's going on. Y'all see how I'm learning and how I come out here and be transparent with you, family, and let you know pros, cons, why I've took a step back from tokens, why I'm going fully in tokens. I like to be fully transparent with the team. Go hard. Hit your boy with a super chat. You feel me? If you really feeling the content, but I appreciate the people that just hit the like and subscribe. So we was just talking about deflationary tokens. All right, so that's what I've been looking at lately. All right, now we did see Vitalik come out and go hard at XRP. He says they threw us under the bus to try to make sure they was good. They basically said XRP was snitching. You know what I'm saying? That basically what he said. Y'all snitched on me. You feel me? Allegedly. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, we're seeing a little friction between Vitalik, Ethereum, and XRP, family. So again, there's a lot of stuff going on in the crypto space. Let's check out the macro environment here. The US dollar is rising. So we got this thing. Let me move my big head out the way. All right, there we got this thing all the way down to 105, family, and then we seen it set that lower low here, and then it's been setting a higher high and going up from there. So it seems like the strength of the dollar is rising on the Fed minutes. A lot of people took that hawkish, some people took that bearish, some people took that bullish, some people took that dovish, however you want to say it. But again, that's what it is. That's what it is. Hold on, family. Let me get this. Let me cut the music out right here, because it's about to get real. It's about to get real. All right, let's see if we back. We back? Am I back? All right, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, I'm live. I'm back. All right, back to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm still working out to lose this thing. All right, so DXY is down, family. It's down. I mean, it's rising, family, and we don't like to see that inside the crypto space. It means that the strength of the dollar is rising with the news, with the China economy. So much stuff going on in the macro environment. So we do got to watch the DXY chart, and especially when we see the SPY descending. Now, it looks like it wants to rebound here, as we can see. But we want to see the SPY stay above 420. At least we know if it's above 420 on, I'll say 414, we'll still be trading sideways. We won't see too much volatility if it drops down. But if it drops down, then of course, there goes crypto, you know what I'm saying, as far as like the relief rally. And a lot of people want to know if the relief rally is actually done, man. You know what I'm saying? We've been seeing all type of metrics that the relief rally is done. One of the things that I paid attention to in the past, as far as history, is that there are different waves, family, of bull runs. So you got the Bitcoin run, then you got Ethereum runs, and then you got altcoins, DeFi, and then you got meme coins. What we seen, meme coins usually come with a strong wave. You get what I'm saying? They usually come with a strong wave, as we seen, and it usually signals the top of a rally, family. So maybe that little meme coin rally there at the end was the top, and we're headed to a lower leg down. Now, the history says that we may go all the way down to lower lows, which means that since we did go on a 30% relief rally, we could head back down and test those lower lows. You feel me? And I'm gonna just look at it as an opportunity to accumulate, because if you're in crypto for the long term, you feel me, and you're not really too much worried about short term. You're more worried about long term. So we got regulation coming in. We got all these things coming in. We got institutional money, family, as you see right here, coming in. So this is huge, man. Look at all these institutions that's involved with blockchain technology. So most active investors in blockchains, and this was posted by CZ Binance himself, family: Alphabet, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, Samsung. Look, Samsung going crazy on the blockchain. Goldman Sachs, man. PayPal, Microsoft, Commonwealth. You ever been to a Commonwealth state? Commonwealth states and city is totally different from regular states. I remember, family, I was in Virginia. I was in Fairfax County, Virginia, doing some work out there, and it just made you want to get a permit for every little thing in that city, in that state, that Commonwealth state. So it's good to see Commonwealth banks also getting the crypto, because you would think like, oh my God, Commonwealth, they'll be the last person to do something. But Commonwealth getting into the crypto space. We like to see that process. Citibank, family, Wells Fargo, LG, and of course American Express. So that's huge, just to see all these companies. And one of these companies, BlackRock, is extremely exposed to one of my favorite tokens right here, which is Hedera. Now, I am bullish on Hedera for long-term purposes, man. Hedera, they're like that token that all right, I'm gonna give y'all an example. This is an example. Now, you know, in the NBA or the NFL, right? You got, okay, we gonna say NBA. You know, in the NBA, you got the Lakers, you got you got the 76ers, you got the New York Knicks, etc., etc. But they all have one owner. Like the owner is his own individual, his own entity. But once upon a time, you had the New Orleans Hornets, right? This was around the time David Stern was the commission, and the New Orleans Hornets was owned by a plethora of owners. It was a group of owners that owned this one team, and it's kind of like the same thing with Hedera. It's the same thing with Hedera here. Is that see if I can pull it up. Alrighty, family. As you can see right here, Hedera is pretty much owned and governed by the world's leading organizations. So again, man, like look at the console here. As you can see, this is the type of things you want to align with. You feel me? And then you want to know the funny thing about this, family, is that I bet a lot of these organizations have been exposed to Methuselah Foundation. I was watching my boy Matthew Perry. He was doing his live, and he was just speaking. And this is not anything negative on Matthew. I rock with Matthew. You feel me? But he was just explaining his reasoning for moving on from Elon. But the thing is, if you do a deeper dive into Methuselah Foundation and you see the people that they actually are involved with, man, it's just like it's a no-brainer. Even if you want to look as it, as he said, as a lotto, where you just like put $100 and forget about it. You feel me? That's cool. We understand how mission tokens, meme coins are. They're very, very, very volatile, especially ones that's searching for a use case. But let's say, you know what I mean, a lot of these people, a lot of these organizations here, who most of them are owned by somebody that's a little bit older, maybe a baby boomer, they start investing into stuff like anti-aging, making 90 the new 50 by 2030. I don't think it's a far cry that a lot of these organizations who are governed by older people invest into something like healthcare. Now, it's a different type of value and utility for crypto. Yes, family, it is. It's not for everybody. But again, you can't have your wealth without your health. So it's just connecting the dots there, man. It's just connecting the dots, family. So yeah, I just think this is huge. One of the companies, I think Eterna, one of the guys that used to either work or was partnered with BlackRock, he left BlackRock and he started a company for entrepreneurs in the blockchain industry called Eterna, and Eterna is also partnered with Hedera. So again, man, go check out the Hedera video that I did. It's probably the most important video that I did, man, because we gotta start aligning our portfolios with the smart money in institutional money as regulation comes in. Not a fan of regulation, but I understand how regulation could be good for the crypto space. All right, and they also just dropped Saucer Swap. So again, these DEX, DEX, decentralized exchanges are going to be the new wave. And think about it, right? As you see, collaborators, this right here is owned by the Spencer Dinwiddie, the Creators Galaxy. But think about it, y'all. Think about it, right? Institutions basically own Hedera. Okay, we know that. And decentralized exchanges are usually the opposite of centralized exchanges. So the fact that these world organizations are investing into stuff like DEXs is huge, family. It's extremely huge. Hold on, family. I gotta open up my door. It's getting kind of hot in the kitchen here, man. You feel me? Hold on, family. I'll make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. You feel me? Alright, I'm about to get back in here. Alright, I'm back like I never left, baby. Alright, your boy Millie is back. Alright, so I want y'all to keep that in mind, man. Hedera, huge on my portfolio, one of my top holdings here. And yeah, I believe in what's going on with Hedera, man. I believe that it could be one of those top organizations. But again, like I said, in the NBA, they had the New Orleans Hornets at one point. They was owned by multiple owners. You know what I'm saying? Not just one. like the Lakers, etc., etc. So same situation with Hedera, you know, crazy analogy, but if you understand sports, then you understand what I'm doing. You know, I do analogies with sports a lot. Y'all gotta bear with me. And as you can see right here, Spencer Dinwiddie's project, which is also being built on Hedera, so another sports player getting into blockchain technology and creating, man. That's what we want to see. We want to see content creators. If you are a creator, make sure you like and subscribe and support another creator. Retweet this, baby. We are live. All right, so moving on, we got Gala here. So Gala, another one of my top holdings. So I don't really need to say too much about Gala, man. Y'all know Gala is a discount right now. The only one bad thing about Gala, and I'm not gonna say it's bad, but it is bad. You know what I'm saying? The only bad thing is this right here. This circulating supply, which is 6.98 billion, and then the total supply, that's just terrible. I mean, it's not even a 50% ratio right here. I mean, which means that even if the price goes up, they could start minting tokens. Now, they do have a halving cycle that's yearly, where they bust this in half. But again, this is some of the far cries that a lot of people don't like about Gala. So again, man, I'm extremely bullish on Gala, but as you can see from this bearish comment here, he says Gala, the team, will dump more coins into the circulation. For the news out there, this is called inflationary tokenomics. Don't buy based on Twitter and YouTube Moonboy. So y'all let me know what y'all think about Gala in the circulating supply issue. Outside of that, this project is golden, man. That's the only thing that's holding this up, is the circulating supply. If they can find a way to make this thing a little bit more deflationary opposed to inflationary, then we could talk about $5 Gala, $10 Gala. But until then, I mean, a realistic goal for Gala would be $1, $2 at the most. But it's a great project, man. Great project. We're seeing some of the biggest influencers, as you can see right here. Your boy Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg doing wonderful things with Gala. I just found this was neat. He got the QR code on his wine bottle, and then they start talking to you. This is where technology is going at, family. This got me geeked. Man, Snoop Dogg is doing a lot of wonderful things inside the crypto space. As you can see, man, Ice Cube, many things going on with the whole Gala ecosystem here. If you've been watching YouTube, or you watch it like me, then you've seen the Gala Films commercial, which has been on YouTube as well. But yeah, just a lot of bullish things going on with Gala, as you can see. Gala Games right here on this. I don't know if it's wine or what it is. Maybe this is wine, or maybe this is a bottle of water right here. But it says Gala Games. We do not know. Y'all let me know if y'all had a sip of this. Maybe in the chat, y'all could tell me what this is. But yeah, I'm bullish on Gala Games, the whole ecosystem, man. And again, it's sitting at about 6 cents. So realistically, we could talk about $1 Gala, $2 Gala. But until they fix this circulating supply issue, I think that's probably be the only thing that stagnate a $5 Gala or $10 Gala. And of course, this is just opinion, because they could come out with some huge game and smash it. We've seen that with Axie Infinity, and they didn't even have the best game, but they had a play to earn module that a lot of people overseas in these third world countries was able to make a bag through playing Axie Infinity, even though it wasn't the best game. So again, you can go with how fun the game is, or you can go with, you know, play to earn module. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that here. And yeah, go like and subscribe to the channel, man. We need to get it up to 4K subscribers, man. Go check out my videos on Sushi Swap if you're interested in finding you a good DEX to invest into. And yeah. Now macro, back to the macro. We do got unemployment at a 48-year low. Now this is Australia, but we're seeing that everywhere, man. They want to push people to more unemployment, but unfortunately everybody's working right now. Everybody's getting to the bag, you feel me? And the problem with the fact that everybody's getting to the bag is that people are still spending money, and the fact that people are still spending money is keeping the inflation up. So my boy Jay Powell, he trying to make something happen, man, with the inflation, man. But until we can see some consistency, with this macro environment, some consistency with the Fed and a roadmap on what they plan on doing, you can expect more volatility from crypto inside the crypto space. All right. So we talked about Vitalik. All right. We talked about that. Let's talk about some DOGELONMARS. So about 6 a.m., I was going through the Google app here, and I just typed in Dogelon to see if the game was actually on the app. And it was on the app, family. Dogelon Mine. So the first ever DOGELONMARS mobile game has been launched. Y'all go install this. Go play this and let me know what y'all think about it. You feel me? Are you bullish on DOGELONMARS games from the independent devs? What is your opinion on the Dogelon independent devs? You feel me? I want to know everybody's honest opinion on what's going on, because that's how we grow as a community. Again, the more and more I learn about crypto, the more and more I just become a little bit more diverse. But I love what Dogelon is doing as far as health. The Methuselah is really, really carrying this project. I mean, like if this was a team, Methuselah like MJ right now, stroking it. Methuselah like MJ, he's just stroking it right now, coming out with great things inside the project and really, really trying to develop a utility for DOGELONMARS, and not just any type of utility, family, a utility that's unique. And I think, again, we're at the point where we're before our time. I know a lot of people, when they think crypto, they don't think health. You know what I'm saying? And it's crazy, but they don't think health. And in some cases, they don't think scientific research. But decentralized science is a thing. And with so much wealthy people, they got to stay healthy. So it is a thing where, just like you see sports trying to get into crypto, just like it's funny, back in the years ago, you had the pot coin. You seen the marijuana dispensaries and marijuana industry trying to get into crypto. Now, unfortunately, that didn't work, and that's where we're at with the whole. That's kind of like a good comparison, right? Because a lot of people thought that that institution that could kind of like run parallel with crypto, but it just didn't work. You feel me? And nobody knows why it didn't work, but it just didn't work. So in a way, we're before our time. Not a lot of people look at the health sector of crypto, but it is going to be a need. So that's why it's so important, family, to find you good projects that have a need into crypto. Some people look at it as it's not needed. Some people look at it is a need. It's all how you view it. Your perception is your reality. I would never tell anybody to go FOMO into a project, especially in a macro environment, a bear market. It really kills me when them YouTubers try to. I'm not gonna talk about that, but I'm not gonna tell anybody to FOMO in a project. You feel me? Even if it's a light DCA, do your research first. Find out if it's something for you. You know what I'm saying, and then go off of there. Because again, most of the stuff for Elon is speculation. But what we do know is that you can go into Everest Health right now, that clinic, and if you had Elon tokens or Ethereum in your portfolio, anything to do with health, you can use your Elon token. So that value and that utility is there. You can't take that away from it. Now, all this other stuff, this stuff is really happening, right? This stuff is really happening. But some of this stuff, like the staking and the longevity life protection, is speculation. So it's good to have these in the white papers, because white papers is a form of marketing, lets you know what's going on, roadmaps, etc., etc. But you got to execute. And I'm excited as I take this journey with DOGELONMARS and Elon to see if they execute the things that they're talking about. I'm so happy we got past the whole Elon Musk thing. Shout out to my boy Huge Kahunas. Who was another person that be sharing it? Dan, shout out to my boy Dan. I can't see you guys' comments right now. I don't have my phone on my other monitor turned on here, but I'm about to get to the comments, so bear with me. But shout out to everybody, man. I'm just so happy we got past the Elon Musk thing, because it was like a cloud over the project. It was a lot of people there for the wrong reasons. A lot of people there for Elon Musk, unfortunately. So I'm so happy that we got away from that, because ever since we got away from that, family, we've been seeing we've been seeing Methuselah, the devs and the community devs, and we've been seeing everybody actually go to work. It's like, okay, Elon not gonna come save us. We gotta buckle down and we gotta go to work and we gotta make this thing happen for the community and for the legacy. I've been talking to so much people that said they told friends and families about Elon and how it can change their life in the future, which is true. But we got to get there, family. You know what I'm saying? We got to get there. And the only way we can get there is continue to spread awareness. Now, the token itself, family, is definitely growing. So it's definitely growing here. See if I can go to the analysis on the holders. So we're almost at 140,000 holders. So it's definitely growing there. I showed you guys yesterday Lunar Crush to show you our social dominance has been rising here. Sorry, I didn't log in, family. Bear with me. Appreciate everybody that's part of the live right now. Y'all go crazy. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Gotta put that shirt and tie for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Go crazy on that super chat. You feel me? Become a member, man. You feel me? When you become a member, I can. You asked me to do a video, like my boy Moonbound, he asked me to do a video. You know what I'm saying? You know, he a member, so I made sure I did a video and looked out to him. We have private conversations with my members, play Warzone, all type of crazy stuff. So yeah, man, become a member, man, so we can have those private talks about crypto and whatever you want to talk about. Elon, DOGELONMARS, you know what I'm saying? Between me and you know what I'm saying? I don't. You know what I mean? I'm not that type of person. But, okay, DOGELONMARS social mentions is up a whole whopping 59%. Now, last month when I checked this, weekly, we was surfing around 4.5 thousand mentions a week. We completely doubled that, family. Now we're surfing around 8,000 social mentions a week. So we're seeing so many people join the community. I'm seeing so many people changing their avatar to the Dogelon Warriors avatar. So we are seeing the community grow, family. We are seeing the community grow. You can see the Galaxy score is up. The altcoin rank is up 20%. So we're seeing the community grow, family. So that's positive. That's positive. So the more utility, the more proposals come out, the more people can feel comfortable knowing that it's a roadmap ahead of us and we have something we're working towards. You feel me? You gotta have a goal, because people who do not plan to fail. And that's in life, family. People who don't plan, they plan to fail. That just is what it is. That's how life is set up. So appreciate everybody that's showing up. I just wanted to explain that. Hopefully my big head is not in the way. But yeah, 8,000. We're up a whopping 60% for weekly social dominance. So that is a huge thing. And yeah, that's one of the things that I like to do. I also like to I just like to surf. I like to surf on the Twitter space, man, and just see what's going on in the community, man. I'll go down here in Twitter and just see what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Check out the Dogelon DAO. Check out what people's giving away, the NFTs and stuff like this. And yeah. And, you know, talk my smack. You know, I get on Twitter. That's why y'all got to go follow me on Twitter. I get on Twitter and I talk that smack. As you see, a lot of people playing the new game, y'all. Y'all see it. A lot of people is playing a new game. Yeah, I talk that smack, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I already know. Where we going that community, we going to the stars. Matter of fact, we ain't going to the stars. We going past the stars. We ain't even going to Mars. We going to Pluto. I don't know where we going at, but we going somewhere, man. And that's why I've been making sure that we have our portfolio set up to run, family. Set up to run. I ain't about to lead you to the... I'm not about to lead you to the river and there's no water in the river. You feel me? Some of these guys lead you to the river and it ain't even no water in the river. We done took a long journey and got all the way to the end of the river. We got all the way to the bank to look at some river and look for some water. Ain't even no water in the river. God dang it. Ain't no water in the river. Where we getting the water from, family? Ain't none. You feel me? So that's why I try to do my research and bring you guys value. You feel me? That's why I hope everybody, if you getting value, man, from this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, send them chats, baby. We getting value here because what's your portfolio? I told you. Deflationary token. Get you a good DEX, decentralized exchange. Get you a good layer 2. Get you a good ISO 222 token. Okay? And get you a meme coin that you believe in. I don't care what meme coin is. I'm not a shill artist. I'm not telling anybody to go buy DOGELONMARS. No. You can go buy any meme coin you want, but do your research. Find it if it fits your energy, invest. You know what I'm saying? I think those are just 5 avenues. Now, it's many more things you can look at. You can look at storage tokens. You can look at stuff like interoperability. You can look at tokens that link blockchains like Chainlink. You got stuff like the graph. You got a whole bunch of technical stuff also that you can, add to your portfolio over time. But for the most part, you feel me, at least have you a 5-point star portfolio, man. And yeah, it's working out for me. It's really working out for me. I wish I was that wealthy guy that I could just go buy a Bitcoin and trade it during the day, or buy 32 Ethereum or something like that. Because I would do it. I really believe in crypto and blockchain technology, and the fact that it could be a hedge to inflation. You know what I'm saying? Think about it, right? Now think about it. A lot of people don't think about this right here, family. So you gotta think about it. When on the bad days, when we having bad days, it hurt, it's pain, it's red. We get it. But on the good days, when your portfolio going up 30% in one day, 50% the next day, 15% the next day, you're not getting that, family, from a savings account. You're not getting that from a savings account. You're not getting that from your bank account. You can't hold cash in your shoebox and then it just magically turn into more cash. That don't happen anywhere, family. As quickly. Not saying it don't happen in the stock market, but it doesn't happen anywhere, family, as quickly as it does with cryptocurrency. So I just want to drop that in your mind. You can stack all that money inside your shoebox, but when you go back to your shoebox, it's still gonna be the same amount. Savings account, Paquito, it go up Paquito. Bank account, that ain't going up. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, man, I think we get too focused on the red days and we lose sight on the beauty of cryptocurrency in the good days. So you know what I'm saying? And if you was paying attention, right? Let's go back here. Let's go to DOGELONMARS. Now, if you was paying attention, family, for a while when the relief rally happened, right? Altcoins was going up, Ethereum was going up, Bitcoin was going up. Then we seen them layer 2s and the DeFi projects start running, right? But what happened when we seen the meme coins start running? Big green bars, not them little small baby mini bars, not them little baby mini bars, not them little infant bars. We saw big green bars with the meme coins. Big green bars in a bear market. So just imagine what's going to happen in the bull run. So when the wave happened, in that last wave with the meme coins, you know what I'm saying? Guess what? Everybody that's been taking an interest to DCA now in these hectic environments going to see big green bars, big green bars, big green bars. And I'm going to be here for it all, God willing. All right, so yeah. That's all I have for y'all. Let me go grab my phone here, family, so we can do some Q&A, because unfortunately we're having some technical difficulties right there with that monitoring screen. Well, alrighty here. I'm gonna let my phone charge here. Yeah, y'all gotta let me know what's going on, man. I'm back. Drop them questions. I'm gonna be right back. Answering all them questions. Drop them. Gang, gang. All right, I'm back, baby. Am I still on? Am I still on? Am I still looking crazy? What's going on, family? I had to go do that quick charge, grab the other phone because unfortunately, Young Money here, phone was dead. All right. Let's get into these. All right, let me make sure I'm still on. All right, I'm still on. All right, let's get into let's get into these chats. All right. Where we at with it? Dang, bro, y'all been going crazy in the chat, man. I gotta catch up. Sheesh. I gotta catch up, family. Y'all gotta bear with me. I'm catching up right now. Shout out to my boy Moonbound. Gotta holler at him first for dropping the super chat. Waiting on the glory. Shout out to my boy Moonbound. All right, y'all. What else we looking at here? Claudia. All right, what up, Claudia? Bo Rabbit, Tails. Shout out to Tails. X Doja says Shiba, Doge, and Zilla Doge. I got to do some research on Shiba and Zilla Doge, man. Don't know too much about it. Laurel says smart shirt. Get your Telecoin UFO. Grab a bag. We mooner sooner. Shout out to my boy Laurel. Foul was big in China before Bitcoin ban. Overinflated. Definitely worth a few. Foul. All right. So I learned something new. I learned something from y'all every single day, man. I did not know that information about foul. I didn't do a deep dive. I wanted to come with some of the best deflationary tokens, but it's good to know that. I appreciate you, Lurel, for holding down the chat. Tales from the Crypto, Nervous and Luke are definitely long-term holds. I have to look at Filecoin. Tales of the Crypto, I'm all for Nervous. I'm not holding Luke long term, but I'm not gonna say anything bad about it. That's on you. That's your project. You know, I respect it. You always gonna be my guy. But I'm definitely bullish on CKB. It moves kind of slow though. You feel me? And the marketing, they need more marketing, but CKB is one of those projects, right? Let me explain it. It's one of those projects that have very, very good tech. Very, very good tech. Very, very, very good utility. And outside of the circulating supply and the bad marketing, it seems like it's going to be around. It's very, very consistent. You know what you're getting with Nervous. Good project. Very, very good project. Flux, not for sale. Facts. Hey, Laurel, you already know what time it is, man. Flux, get you some Flux and Cadena. If you're really trying to change the world, get you some Flux and Cadena. Flux and Cadena is going crazy. Those going to be, in the next bull run, you're going to hear Flux. And you're gonna hear Cadena. Facts, man. Like my boy Ryan. I listen to my boy Ryan, one of the realest YouTubers out there. Shout out to my boy Ryan Mattis. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but if you know who I'm talking about, shout out to my boy Ryan. He did a great video explaining Cadena and how things are being built on Cadena. I believe he was talking about a DEX. So Cadena just dropped a new DEX, I believe Cadex, and it's going to be huge. So yes, Cadena, Flux, they go hand in hand for me. I'm extremely bullish on Cadena and Flux will be. All right, D Smith, blessings to your podcast. Bitcoin ain't dropping past 24K for a month of September. Hopefully not, man. We need that relief rally, baby. We do need that relief rally. It would be good. Shout out in the chat. Let me know if you plan on taking profits, or are you running with the Greyhound? Are you running with the run? Run with the run. Y'all already know. Send them chats, man. You feel me? I had to get nice and spiffy for the fam. Y'all already know. Black Rock, Kentucky. LOL, VA. Hey, I've been to D Smith. I've been to Kentucky, Lexington, Kentucky. You ain't lying, man. What they call it, the bluegrass state. I've been to Kentucky, another Commonwealth state. Laws totally different. Like you can go to Ohio, Cincinnati, Ohio, and then go into Lexington, Kentucky, and be in a whole nother planet, family. So I'm very, very familiar with that. Man, I love the NFL, man. I love the NFL. I just couldn't find in my head. I couldn't think of a quick enough analogy to compare to Hedera and how it's governed by a plethora of different businesses opposed to just one. D Smith say healthcare and real estate is booming. Life said let's effing go. Like hospitals and urgent care properties. Yes, they are, D Smith. If you don't know, family, blockchain technology right now is in the healthcare system. Hospitals or whatever, health, they use blockchain technology to support data and also protect consumer data. So if you didn't know, blockchain technology is being used in the health industry as we speak. All right. Okay, yeah, like the Denver Broncos. All right, I didn't know they was owned by the group, not just majority. But hey, D Smith. The moral of the story is you got exactly what I was saying, bro. You understood it, and that's what we talk about. I appreciate that. L. Cooper says people sleep on Dogelon. True, a lot of big influencers sleep on Dogelon. I watched them. They say they like my boy Matthew Perry said he was turned off from the whole Methuselah Foundation. But we got a lot of YouTubers and influencers who's actually buy Dogelon, hold Dogelon, but actually just don't talk about it. You know what I'm saying? Like Zach, who always talking about Shiba Inu. He's one of the people that actually holds Dogelon as well, and he's a huge YouTuber. And then we got Vision Post, who does technical analysis for a lot of what he calls shit coins. He also at one point held Elon. So it is some YouTubers out there that hold Elon. Laurel says amazing big dog Snoop, man. Shout out to Snoop, man. He's doing wonderful things for the culture in blockchain technology, inside stuff like Gala Games, inside the crypto space, in NFTs. Snoop is embedded and he is going to create a legacy for his families through cryptocurrency and NFTs. We ain't going anywhere, baby. Let's go. Tales of Crypto, when my bank account blow, I'm Andrew Tate 2.0. Ha! Yo, look, I gotta find a way to implement my boy Andrew Tate on the channel, man. He's definitely a character, funny guy, very funny guy. L. Cooper 39 says Methuselah is connected with NASA. Yes, sir. Go follow the channel. Look at all my research I did on Methuselah Foundation, NASA, Peter Thiel, Elon Musk, some of the biggest names that may be connected. BlackRock with Methuselah Foundation. Go do the research. It's on my channel. Go check out the videos, family, that I have done on Methuselah Foundation. You feel me? You already know. If I'm dropping gems, man, somebody drop a super chat with your boy. You feel me? It's a bear market. Yeah. Oh, it's a bear market. We embrace the bear market. We embrace the pain. We ain't going nowhere. All right, let's move on to the next one. Jack Martinez says DOGELONMARS. L. Cooper says, and the health bill will just pass. Facts. Life said, this is the best financial advice. Yo, I appreciate that, man. That I appreciate that, bro. Shout out to Life, man. Ricky Rivera said, what's good, Millie? Shout out to my boy Moonbound. Another one posting the cleaner there, man. If you don't know, I have a door-to-door company where we promote all natural cleaning supplies. So shout out to Moonbound for posting those pictures, man. We love to see that. Go check out the links in the description and support your boy. Ryder has said, good morning. Good morning to Ryder. Tales of the Crypto downloading that on lunch. What you downloading, bro? I don't know what you're downloading. Laurel says, wait a little dip on Bitcoin, sell my quant for DOGELONMARS and more UFO. Hey, you got to do what you got to do. But I will say this, Laurel, QNT is allegedly supposed to be a ISO 222 token. I'm not sure if they're compliant just yet, but they're working towards that. So I don't know if I would sell my QNT, man. QNT could do big things, but if you feel like it's top, that's your project. That's not financial advice. Do what you want to do, man. But yeah, QNT is a very good project. Stephen 80 said grabbing another 20K H-bar tokens in September. Let's go. Shout out to the H-bar community for coming over and showing some love, man. I know I'm not necessarily new to the H-bar community. I've been invested, but I'm now covering it a little bit more. So yes. Shout out to everybody that's part of Hedera, man. Y'all come over, come chill with your guy, man. You feel me? And show some love. I do appreciate that. Like and subscribe. All right. A new Dogelon song landed on Mars. That's a crazy name right there. Y'all got some wild names on YouTube. Robinhood stock $10 right now. It's a sleeper. Yes, Robinhood. I don't really talk about stocks on this channel, but Robinhood and COINBASE. Well, I know COINBASE kind of rose since then, but Robinhood and COINBASE had dropped tremendously and were great buys in the stock department. And if you do cover stocks, and if you want me to start covering mining stocks, I know a little bit about mining stocks like Hut 8 and stuff like that. Right now they're good buys. These mining stocks are completely low on the stock exchange, man. They're down, you feel me? So it could be a good buy. Join the Discord. I'll start trying to do some things with buy alerts and stuff like that, man, and become a member, like I said, so we can have them private conversations. And I learn stuff from y'all each and every day, so it's not a one-way conversation. I learn each and every day. You got to stay green, family, so you can grow. All right, new Dogelon song landed on Mars says FTX. Yes, I am exposed to FTX in a sort of different way. I'm invested largely into Sushi Swap. which was given to Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX. So I'm rolling with Sam. I'm rolling with SushiSwap. Shout out to everybody that's part of the SushiSwap community, man. Come to the channel. Come show y'all love. I will be doing more sushi videos. Big on DEX, big on exchanges. Turn up. Crypto Burger said Shiba is a prospective coin. It's going to rise again when no one expects it. I'll advise you to buy and store. Remember, the current bull run is identical to the previous two. And that is true, Crypto Burger. When you look at the history of these bull runs, they're identical. And I did find some interesting things about Shiba Inu right here. Actually, I want to talk about it, family. So Shiba just dropped. Now, this wasn't available, but Shiba Inu just dropped the tokenomics, and they got the most simple tokenomics I ever seen in life, family. Look at this. And look, Vitalik Buterin was donated this 50% of this token and 50% of DOGELONMARS. And the same Uniswap liquidity is 50%. So I would expect DOGELONMARS allocation and tokenomics to look exactly like this. Very simple. Not too much to look at. No VC unlocks. So that's the one thing about SHIB and DOGELONMARS that I do like. It's no VC unlocks. It's no inflationary where it just keeps going up and up and unlocks. So for instance, let me show y'all an example of what I'm talking about. And this is not nothing bad about tokens that do that. Let's get that understood, family. This is not nothing bad about tokens, but let me give y'all an example here. We're just gonna go to Cardano. We're gonna go to Cardano, family. All right, and we're gonna check out the simple tokenomics here for Cardano. So as you can see right here, it's broken down like team, staking rewards, ICO. And then they got the supply schedule. So DOGELONMARS, Shiba Inu, they don't have these supply schedules. You get what I'm saying? They don't have the supply schedules. So you won't have to worry about odd inflation and people dumping on you, because again, they don't have these allocations. You see 50% allocated to ICO, 10% allocated to the team, 30% allocated to staking wars. The meme coins don't have that, family. So I think that's a pretty bullish thing here. So 50% allocated to Uniswap liquidity, 50% allocated to Vitalik Buterin, and we seen the same thing here with DOGELONMARS. So if I go to CoinScan, let me find it, family, here, and I'll get to more chats in a second. 1 second here. All right, so let's go to the holders. As you can see right here, this is Uniswap. All right, and then this right here is Methuselah Foundation. Now I want to hit this Krakens. There's 4 Krakens, so we know the first 2. But who are these other 2 Krakens? They ain't even whales, family. These is Krakens. So the thing about this is you don't got to worry about being dumped on, because Methuselah's holding that 43%. Then Uniswap is locked. So the other 50% of this project, family, is completely the community and the rest of the people. So it's us. You get what I'm saying? So as long as Methuselah holds their 50%, we can see higher prices with the DOGELONMARS token, because it's not diluted so much, which is a good thing. A lot of people look at Methuselah holding 50% as a bad thing, but they're not looking at the pros of this. Again, you got to break this down for people. You got to break this down for people, man. You know what I'm saying? These YouTubers get up here and they don't know what they be talking about sometimes, man. The Methuselah Foundation been around for, what, 20 years? Stop playing with me. Stop playing. Now, only bad thing about Elon, as far as the circulating supply, is that this max's total supply is, I think, I used to think it was 1 trillion until I found out these guys own trillions of tokens. So this is 1 quadrillion, which only got circulating supply of 548 billion. So, not good. That's not good, because the higher the price gets, they can just start minting more tokens and diluting it that way. So, I want to see this max supply here go down. I'm not worrying about the circulating supply. The circulating supply, it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? I know. Back when before I found out what I found out, we used to talk about circulating supply. We're not talking about circulating supply. This is what we're talking about right here. Total supply. Now, as you can see, She used to be like one something too, but they burnt billions and billions of tokens, and as you can see, it's showing here, family, on the total supply. So we need that total supply on DOGELONMARS to start getting work with. You feel me? Elon family community, go put up some proposals, whatever you got to do. You feel me? So I want to see the proposal. I want to see a big kraken, a big whale go up there and put a proposal for a burn portal. Now, a lot of people don't believe burn portals help. It might not help tremendously, but it helps. So we need to see some type of burn portal with DOGELONMARS before we can start talking about 1 penny and half a penny and all that. This total supply has to come down. It has to start looking closer to this, family. It just does. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just, I come keep it all the way real with y'all, transparent. All right, so back to what I was saying. All right, Larell says, I have a Cadena bag. I'm a break even, just 25 a bag. All right, that's cool. Larell said, we all broke at the moment. I need a job, just over broke till next moonshot. Hey, that's true. I am not buying crypto right now. And let me tell you why. It's a lot of people that's not buying crypto right now. In fact, retail is trying to rebound from all the money that they lost with the contagion in the crypto space. So everybody's trying to rebound, trying to, in some cases, catch up with their bills, car notes, credit card bills. A lot of people are maxed out right now on their credit cards. So, and then some people are trying to add jobs so they can be able to invest into crypto. Unfortunately, the government, family, the higher ups, I'm not going to say the government, the higher ups have been suppressing crypto through stopping crypto loans through banking, VC capitals and stuff like that. So that's why you see us get stuck at 25K. Like we could smash 25K if it wasn't for the macro environment. But again, the higher ups are suppressing crypto right now until they're ready for it to go. And the institutions are not going to come save us because they're not going to go against the higher ups. They're not going to go against none of that. And sovereign money, if you're familiar with these real richest countries. Now let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Top richest countries, right? All right, so this sovereign money like Norway, Ireland, and all these Greenland and all these countries, right, that got big bags, like right here. Some of these companies have deals, right? Some of these companies have deals with America, right? So Kevin O'Leary was talking about. He was talking about how he goes to these countries and they won't deploy large liquidity into crypto just yet because they waiting on the SEC. They're not going to go against the SEC. So we could have been seeing big money from these countries pour into crypto, and they are extremely, family, don't get it twisted, they are extremely interested in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right now as we speak, they are interested in Bitcoin and Ethereum. O'Leary said it himself, but they won't invest without regulation. They won't go against the SEC because these man, they go to some secret place in Antarctica and they go talk about all this. Antarctica is if you don't know, is owned by a plethora of countries, or however you want to look at it. They go up to Antarctica and they have these secret meetings, these entities, these huge entities, real rich families, right? Where you can't even go on Antarctica, but they can, and they have these meetings. And in some cases they have pacts. You feel me? We're seeing China and Russia starting to work together. So it's a lot of stuff that's going on in the macro environment that's suppressing crypto from the oil, China ban. You feel me? Like that's a whole nother bag, the China ban. That's a whole nother bag that was robbed from crypto. So you gotta start looking at that thing. Shout out to my boy King. All right. Larell said, it's true, Quant sells some of the profits only. Ricky Rivera said, I'm seeing that Bitcoin USD will tap 21, 22K, which will probably mark the next bullish fractional. Fingers crossed with the bullish diversion as we hit on the chart. All right, man. What was that? What's that week? Okay, he probably meant weekly chart because I see W. Let's see what you was looking at, man. Let's see what you was looking at over here. So right now we sitting at 23,421. Let's see what we looking at, man. Let's see if Bitcoin is bearish or bullish, man. All right, we're seeing this. It's this descending triangle right here on the daily charts. So we definitely got to break that, family. We got to break this. We definitely got to break this. You can call that what you want to call it, but we got to break that right there on daily. See what we looking at, man. All right. Still not in a position where we oversold just yet. Let's see some resistance. He's saying he see. Would you see Bitcoin fall into right there at that resistance line? Make that blue. You feel like right here is heavy resistance. What'd you say? 22. And we got resistance at 21,235. So yeah, if we break this pattern here, if we break this little this triangle here, if we break this, that'll actually be bullish for Bitcoin. Let's see if we close. Let's check out the MACD here. These are the daily charts now. This is not something like I said, I'm not day trading Bitcoin, but I want to check something here. Y'all bear with me. Well, it is definitely showing a bearish reversal, as you can see this divergence here. So this was a divergence. We just came out of divergence. Bitcoin weakening. So Bitcoin had weakened, as you can see right here. It was a divergence. We got the MACD crossing below the signal line here, which is telling us we may get a reversal to the downtrend, which we could just fall to this support, like he said, which is around 21. I got 21,261. We could definitely it's showing that we are here for a reversal, definitely, and that we may be headed down here to this support, which is around 21. So hopefully we can bounce off that support. I want to check one more thing here before I do that. See if we are above the 20-day. So we're right below the 20-day, which is 23,539, which is also, again, bearish. So we got to break that band. We got to break that Bollinger Band, which is 24.5. Like, that's a lot of resistance. And we've been getting tons of resistance, family, at 24.5 and, of course, 25K. So this may have been the end of the bear rally. We will not know until then. Hold on. Somebody at the door. Let me close my door. Hold on, family. So yeah, we closing my door. Somebody knocking at my door. Lady gotta let her in. Alright. So yeah, 23. We gotta break that. We definitely gotta break that. Shout out King. Yes, weekly. I would just already adjust. No. I'm not adjusting my RSI on that. But let me check the weekly. You know, we all use different indicators and different stats. You feel me? I look at things. You might see something I don't see on your chart. You know, vice versa. What do you do, bro? Shout out King. New Dogelon song landed. Same coin on Solano. First meme coin to $1. All right. So yeah, Bitcoin could head a little bit lower, family. We could head down here to 21. You know what I'm saying? That is definitely true. Now, he said check the weekly charts. Let's check the weekly charts, man. You know how I get down. Weekly charts is looking a little bit more bullish, if you ask me. All right, so let me show you why here. So as you can see from the weekly charts, we just got a signal that of a reversal. The MACD just crossed this signal here, which is signaling a reversal on the weekly charts. And RSI is in the oversold level. So I don't know, family, we could go up. We could go up. We could break this. We could break this little pattern here that we're on and then shoot back up. Let me move this out the way. And then shoot back up. Let me see where the next strong level of resistance would probably be if we shot back up. Yeah, the weekly chart's looking kind of bullish, bruh. I ain't even gonna lie. Weekly chart's looking kind of bullish, man. We looking a little oversold. We looking a little oversold on the weekly. We looking a little oversold on the weekly. Especially from this MACD is signaling reversal. RSI, we need that RSI to bounce down right here off 25. Usually when it bounce down All right, let's look at history. All right, the last time we went up, when we did see that RSI bounced off of 42, and then we seen that. All right, let me check one more thing, family. Let me check one more thing. I know I cut the music off. Y'all gotta excuse me. It's all Ricky Rivera fault, man. He done got me looking at the dang charts. Check the DMI here. All right. How y'all doing though, man? What's it? Thirsty Thursday. We going high V ADX. Still bearish on the DMI though. That's the thing. Still bearish on the DMI. But if this blue line crosses this orange line, as you can see over here, which signals that we are in an uptrend. See all this space between the blue and the orange line? Right now, the blue line is below the orange line. So that just, this is bearish. This is bearish. We need this to cross over this. We need this blue line to cross over this orange line, as you can see here from the MACD. So yeah, some of these indicators are lagging. That's why I'm gonna upgrade to Lux. Because they can do a little bit more on point. But you can pretty much get the gist of what I'm saying here, man. Like we're right at the breaking point of just no man's land. We don't know if we want to go up or down right now, family. So that is, we gotta just figure it out, man. We gotta just figure it out. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum still sitting at 1865. Like the Bitcoin and Ethereum, they like stable coins right now, man. Indeed, and momentum is swinging upright, at least beginning on that weekly. That is true, Ricky. That's what I was saying. The momentum is swinging to the upside. That's completely facts. That's facts. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like we just gotta figure out from here where we're going. You know what I'm saying? Once we figure out in definition, because you got to understand we are in a macro environment. And I think a lot of that uncertainty is because of the macro environment and what's going on across the world. It's not just in the U.S. This is happening. Recession, inflation is happening across the world. All right, family? My bad. Nah, you good, Rick. You already know what time it is. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much all I have. We can do a quick run again on Twitter. All right, go download that game, man. You already know what time it is. My boy Richard Hart trending again, as usual. ETH Gate, Trump party. Yeah, it's not really a lot going on, man. Check my boy Kill. See what some of the big boys talking about. Literally still ETH about to reconquer the trend line, head back to 2000. Told you this. All right, Kale thinks ETH is headed back to 2000. And if we do head to 2000, are we going to break it? That's the question, family. Are we breaking 2000? Like the video if we break in 2000. Laurel says, may want to look at AGIX, Singularity, AF. I got my bag today, and Telecoin and UFO all on credit card. Huh? I don't know which one you're talking about. Let's see what he's talking about. AGIX. I never heard of this. That's what he's talking about. Singularity Net. All right. What is this? Home of benevolent AI and AGI, decentralizing the creation applications of AI while progressively moving the world towards artificial general intelligence. Explore our ecosystem. The combination of AI with blockchain shifts innovation with traditional. So yeah, I got to do some research on this, man. I don't know actually what is the value utility? What is this token going to be used for? Let's look at the charts here. You see how this token has been doing. Actually, let's go back and look at the price. I want to see how this token's at. All right. That's this 1/6/2018. So it's been around a long time. It's not like something that's just happening. 76 cents. The last bull run, it went up to 44 cent. So I don't think it actually seen a true bull run, family. But I don't know enough about this token to speak on it. Circulating supply, 1.8 billion. Total is 1 billion. Max supply 2 billion. All right, we see that. Market cap 50 million. Diluted market cap. Okay, that's not bad. Volume is up 239%. So, I mean, this token looks looking pretty good, man. Looking like it's got a little value. I got to do a little bit more research. I don't know enough about it, family. But again, I'll do some more research and check that out. And then if I like it, I'll do a video about it. But that's cool. Home sales going down. All right. All right, so let's check out. Oh, boy. I'm just chilling with y'all right now, man. I told y'all, it's a boring day today. Don't bear with me. Go crazy on the chat. Simon, you ain't really saying nothing. And then, wow. Yeah, so there's not a lot of stuff going on inside the crypto space right now, family, as I stated. Just a lot of macro stuff, man. Everybody waiting on the direction of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But yeah, it's 11:30. I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and go for the day, man. If you like the stream, make sure you like, subscribe, share this everywhere, man. I appreciate everybody that liked it, left them super chats, supported the channel, and even if you just watched and liked, y'all know I appreciate that as well. All right, man. Y'all have a nice day today, man. Y'all go enjoy y'all day. All right. We up out of here. Soap Gods TV.